as attacks on me, quite frankly, are attacks on science. But they're really criticizing science because I represent science.
Something is happening in America. One man claims to be science.
Do not know what you are talking about, quite frankly, and I want to say that officially. You do not know what you are talking about.
The only science. We are not allowed to ask questions anymore. That is not science.
Science. The only point of the scientific method is to make sure you are not fooled into thinking that something is true that is not, or thinking that something is not true that is. That is the only point. Whatever it takes to minimize the chances that you will misinterpret what you're looking at so that you don't think something is true that is not, or think something is not true that is. Do whatever it takes to support that mission statement. That's what the scientific method is, and that's what we do as scientists. Why do you do double blind? So that you don't fool yourself into thinking something is true. That's why you do double blind. And if you don't, and you want something to be true, even if you're surprised by something that might have been true, that you were against, still, you need someone else to check it. And you only get an emergent scientific truth when you have agreement among different people's experiments. So even if you get a result that you're happy with, it is not yet a scientific truth until you can confirm it by other people who have no investment in you, who don't care about it. In fact, we're trying to show that you're wrong. This is what made Einstein so great, because no one believed his relativity, and they kept devising ever more accurate experiments to show he was wrong, and it ended up showing that he was right by ever higher precision.
Questions are the beginning of science.